Hey guys, Omar here. So we're continuing with the challenges for the CAMEO vs CHIC. We're in Team Rumble and we're going to be going to the Frenzy Farm to get some apples at this orchard. We can also go in Frenzy Farm and consume mushrooms, but we'll have to go to the swamp, Slurpy, to consume the Slurprooms. So let's see how we do. So here is where the apples are. Obviously you need to lose health to consume them. So what you'll need to do is obviously cut down some trees, build a ramp roughly about, I would say maybe 3 high. Get rid of this tree, 3 high, possibly even 4. But basically you need to not die. See if I do that. Did I lose any? No. Let's try again. Okay, so there we go. So we've lost a bit of health because the apples give you health, so you can't consume any if you're full health. So that's 1 of 3. We're going to go now to consume mushrooms. Mushrooms give you shield. If you go still in Frenzy Farm and you go to this place here where there's like a circle, like trees in a circle, and there'll be like 3 stones with chests on them, you'll probably be able to get some mushrooms there. That's probably the closest thing that you can do. And then obviously consume them. Okay, so we have to be quick here because obviously we're in the storm, but Slurprooms are, I am right here. And these are Slurprooms, so you consume them, you get 3 of 3. So that was the completion of the consume apples, mushrooms and Slurprooms. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.